Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today is Friday freebie time. Yes, it's a free printable. Every Friday here on my channel I'll give you a free paper, a free background or collection of ephemera tags. It varies all the time, where you guys can download for free and start creating. So this page here is being designed from one of the papers this month, VIP Lounge membership. In case you're new to me, my VIP Lounge is simply a membership from the start of £2. You get loads of goodies that help you crafting without feeling a bit too overwhelming. Let me showcase what you get if you join for the month of May. The first collection is called Wonderland in Bloom, and you can probably guess from the title is an inspiration from Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland was a kit that has been requested by the lovely Jill. Jill, sorry it took me forever, but it was so complicated because a lot of elements are copyrighted. So we got this page here where you got 4 backgrounds. You get a full page here with the mad data. A collection of different pockets and embellishments. Full background. Another full background. Collection of pockets. Envelopes. That's super cute. Another background. This is a collection of ephemera. To get some, this could be like a really nice large tuck that you can use in your journals. Another background, a fussy cat embellishments or little ephemera that you can use as a decoration. This will make a lovely journal. A set of another envelope and 3 tags. Another collection of tags. These are wonderful if you use them as layer and then build up things on top. Another fussy cat page. I love that. So they've got the key, the teapot. And last but not least, another set of tags. So you can use that as a base and layer them with those. Each month you also get a collection of bookmarks or tags, and this month it's this one here. It's a set of 4. Again, I'm trying to keep it with the cupcakes, the Eat Me, the like Magic and Wonderland theme. So you get these 4. These are large, quite large, as you can see. This is an A4, so you get 4. You also get a letter of the alphabet. Now, we nearly finished the alphabet. We are on letter Y. So you get a little assembly instruction that tells you what to do, but it's very self-explanatory. And then you also get, of course, the actual letter. So that's the front and that's the back and that's the tabs that get glued on and attached. Nearly as soon as we finish the alphabet, we're going to start with the numbers because it's something that you guys have requested. But let me show you what letter Y looks like when it's all done up. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. And then it stands perfectly straight. Is it 3D? I love it. Let me show you all the alphabet that we've done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D, got them all in here, fucking rich, E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S, lovely like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N, Y. Also, each month, yeah, you get loads. You get a digital magazine. So this month is the Molly Makes May 2020. It's a past edition. It's a digital magazine of 92 pages. I'm just going to give you a quick flip through. If you're familiar with Molly Makes is I think they're based here in UK. But it's a magazine that gives you inspiration not just about papers, but about everything craft related. So here you can see there is like a little dangle, fashion. You also get how to do that little vase that you see in the cover here with some clay. You get some stitching and making, etc., some little embellishments. So it's a very I love it. It's one of my favorite magazine because it gives you all different ideas, not just for papers, but as I said, for like knitting, making, etc. Last but not least, every month you get a gift from me, which is usually another collection, and this month is this one here. It's my favorite. It's called Shabby Petals. So it's 4 pages, and these have been designed in 2 separate pages, you can see from the line there, but you can use this as an entire background, and it's 4 pages, very similar but again yet unique. Yeah, all of these guys for the price of £2. If you opt out for the £5, you get a free book to download. Let me share everything and where you get them from my website. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc. Then you have my books. Love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan, get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then at the last page here, you've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then you have my VIP Lounge. My VIP Lounge is a monthly membership or yearly membership where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We're doing alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with the £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay, guys, so you saw everything from my VIP lounge and my website. Now, let me showcase where you can get your hands on this lovely freebie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Every interaction that you guys have with me is much appreciated. It means the world to me. Have a wonderful crafting weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.